The Willys-Overland CJ-2A holds a unique place in automotive history as one of the first civilian off-road vehicles. Its roots trace back to the late 1930s, when the United States military sought a light, versatile utility vehicle for wartime service. After testing prototypes from several companies, the military selected a design from Willys-Overland, refined with input from Ford. Between 1941 and 1945, over 650,000 Willys MB and Ford GPW Jeeps were built, earning a reputation for ruggedness, simplicity, and reliability in every theater of World War II. Capitalizing on its wartime success, Willys introduced the CJ-2A, civilian Jeep, in July 1945. Designed for farms, construction sites, and rural transport, the CJ-2A featured practical upgrades over its military predecessor, including a side-mounted spare tire, tailgate, improved headlights, and a reinforced windshield frame. Many of the earliest models, known as very early civilian Jeeps, were built using leftover military parts, making them highly collectible today. The CJ-2A was powered by the proven 2.2-liter Go Devil L-head inline-4 engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission and 2-speed transfer case, delivering dependable 4-wheel drive capability. Its rugged ladder frame and leaf spring suspension provided exceptional durability, while a simple interior with 2 bucket seats, a flat dashboard, and minimal instrumentation reflected its utilitarian nature. Produced until 1949, the CJ-2A laid the foundation for all civilian Jeep models, influencing generations of off-road vehicles. Restored examples, often with new steel bodies and rebuilt drivetrains, showcase its enduring appeal. Today, the CJ-2A is celebrated not only as a pioneering 4x4, but as a cultural icon, symbolizing American ingenuity and adventure. Well-preserved models remain highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts worldwide,